Tradedoubler Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. Tradedoubler is a global affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers in a variety of industries, including retail, travel, finance, and technology. With over 2,000 brands in its portfolio, Tradedoubler is known for offering high-quality affiliate programs with flexible commission structures, making it a strong option for marketers of all experience levels. The network provides access to global markets, with a special focus on Europe, which can be a huge advantage for affiliates targeting international audiences. Features. Tradedoubler offers flexible commission models, including CPS, cost per sale, CPA, cost per acquisition, and CPL, cost per lead, giving affiliates the ability to choose the best approach for their audience. The network provides real-time reporting and detailed analytics, allowing affiliates to track their performance and optimize campaigns. Affiliates can promote through text links, banners, and product feeds, as well as use API integration for more advanced solutions. One of the key features is cross-device tracking, which ensures affiliates earn commissions on all sales generated, whether via desktop or mobile. Payments are processed monthly, with a minimum payout of €25, and affiliates can choose from various payment methods such as PayPal, wire transfer, and bank deposit. Who is it for? Tradedoubler is ideal for experienced marketers who are comfortable with working in multiple niches and who have an existing online presence. It's particularly suitable for content creators, bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers who want to monetize their traffic with well-known global brands. If you're targeting European audiences or want to scale internationally, Tradedoubler offers great opportunities, especially in markets where it has a strong foothold. Strengths and weaknesses. Tradedoubler's biggest strength is its global reach, with a wide range of reputable advertisers in diverse industries. The network's advanced tracking features, flexible commission models, and excellent reporting make it a solid choice for affiliates looking to scale. On the downside, approval processes can sometimes be slower compared to other networks, and some affiliates might find the platform a bit overwhelming, especially if they are new to affiliate marketing. Final verdict. The Tradedoubler Affiliate Network is a reliable and powerful option for affiliates with experience and the ability to target global markets. With a broad range of high-quality offers, advanced reporting, and a focus on international expansion, it provides strong earning potential. However, beginners may find the platform more complex than others. If you're serious about scaling your affiliate business with top global brands, Tradedoubler is worth considering. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.